Hey everybody, and welcome to another HOWTECH video tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to use conditional formatting in Excel. So conditional formatting is basically I can change the formatting, the colors, the font, or symbols in a cell if its value meets a certain condition that I set. So let's say I wanted to take this whole column here of values and I wanted to make them light up red if they exceeded a certain amount. So I'll select that, go up to conditional formatting here, and we're going to click new rule. So here I'm going to click use a formula to determine which cells to format. And let's say I wanted the rule to be any amount that exceeded $60 will light up red. I'm going to go in here and hit equals. And I'll start with the first cell that I have selected, which is C5. I'll type in equals C5, and I want that to be if C5 is greater than a value of 60. So equals C5 greater than 60, and we'll then click the Format button to change it to how we want it to look. So under Font here, go under Color. Say I wanted the font color to be white, and I want the fill background to be red. So I hit OK on that, and hit OK on that, and you'll see that 3 of our numbers light up because they are greater than 60. And as you've seen, we can input an entire formula in there. It doesn't have to be greater or less than, it can be something much more complex. That's up to you on how you want to use conditional formatting. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.